Hello, Shakali speaking. Today we are going to solve this problem, number of good pairs. So first of all, we need to know how a number can be a good pairs. Let's see. A number can be a good pair. Say if say this is the number, this could be good pair 1 and 1, 1 and 1, or 3. So it could be good pair, meeting the condition that num ones and num j must be same, and another condition is that I less than j, the nums indices must be less than j indices. Okay, this condition must be fulfilled, then it would be a good pair. So from here we can see that 0 and 1, these are same, so this could be good pair. And another condition is also meeting, this is 0 less than 3, so this is meeting, so this is a good pair. Say this is a good pair. This is a good pair, and these are the good pair. So all conditions are meeting because here G1 and 1 good pair, it is same, and the indices are less. Okay, so it could be a good pair. 3 could be a good pair, indices are less, and numbers are same. So it could be good pair, and here several good pairs, 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 6 good pairs. So these are the conditions are good pairs. So if something happen, number both are same, but indices are great, then it will not be good pair. Like if it would 0 less than, then it would not be a good pair. So these both condition must be met. Okay. So how we can solve this problem? So I have solved this problem. Initially we have taken an empty object. Okay, this is an empty object, and taken a variable which initialized to 0. So in the first iteration, what is happening? The first iteration, it is undefined. This is undefined. It's because nothing is there. So this object is empty. So if in JavaScript, if someone finds any object empty, it returns undefined. Okay, so it is undefined. So undefined less than 0. So this is falsy values. Okay, falsy values. So falsy or 0, it will return 0. So 0 plus 1, so it will become 1, and count will remain same. Nothing will happen over here. So the first in this iteration, it will become 1. This is the first occurrence of 1. 1 is becoming 1. Okay. The second iteration, count map will be 2. So count map will be 2 and is initially identified undefined because for the 2, this is the first occurrence. We have on, but for 2, this is the first occurrence. So it will be undefined. So undefined is falsy values. So falsy values plus 1, yeah, falsy values or 0, it will return 0. 0 plus 1, it will become 1. So count will remain on. So this time, this is the, for 1, this is the first occurrence. For 2, this is the first occurrence. Okay. For the third iteration, now it is 3. So count map is initially undefined. Why undefined? Because 3 is the first occurrence. We have 1, we have 2, but 3, we have no 3. So for that, 3 is the first occurrence. So it is not finding anything, so it is becoming undefined, and it is falsy or 0. It will return 0 plus 1. It will become 1. Count is still now 0. So this is for 1, this is the first occurrence. For 2, this is the first occurrence. For 3, this is the first occurrence. Now the magic happened. For fourth iteration, now is 1. This one. Okay, this one. this time this is not the first occurrence, this is the second occurrence, because we have already one. Okay, so count now is on, so it updated. Now this is not undefined, it is getting the value, so 1 or 0, so it will become true the values. Okay, so 1 plus 1, it will become 2. This is true. So count will, this time count will update. This time count will update. So count will be count plus count map plus 1. So count is still 0, count map is 2 minus 1. So count will become 1. So after fifth iteration, after fourth iteration, fifth number iteration, this is not first occurrence, this is the third occurrence. So count map is now 2, so it is updated to 2, or this is the true, it will return true. So 2 plus 1, it will become 3. So count is now updated. Count is now updated to count plus count map. Count map is 3. So 1 plus 3 minus 1. So count is 3. Okay, so it will be 1 is updating. See, it is third occurrence. For 2, it is the first occurrence. For 3, it is the first occurrence. Okay, for sixth iteration, now it is 3. So this is not the first occurrence. We already have 3 previously. So this is the second occurrence. The count map is now 1. So it is updated to 1 plus 1, which is 2. So count is updated to count plus count is already 3. You see, count is already 3. 3 minus 1, 3 plus 1 minus 1. Okay, so count is 4. This is the ultimate result. So now 1, it is getting third occurrence. For 2, it is on occurrence, and for 3, it is second occurrence. And count is becoming 4. This is almost like a theory. So it is happening in big O of n, time complexity. So if you can do it in brute force method, or doing 2 loops, then time complexity will increase. So if you want to reduce the time complexity, so this is the ultimate solution. And for another examples, I have the iteration list also. This is for, you see, this is these occurrence, this example, and this example. So I have the explanation for 3 examples. You can, these are almost same. So you can come here and check. So let's dive into the code. So I have done it. So in front of you, I'm reading it once again. Bar number of good pair equal to function nums. Okay, let count map equal to empty object. Let count equal to initially 0. Later we'll update it. So as it is for object, so for num of nums, so count map, we need to update count count map num equal to count map num or 0 plus 1. So initially it will become for 3 occurrence, it will become undefined. So as it is undefined, so it will return false values. So false values will return 0, 0 plus 1. Now time to update the count. Count, come to count map, num minus 1. Okay, so now it's time to return the count. Return count. So I hope this will work. So let nums 1 equal to this one, console.log number of good pair nums 1. So I hope this will work. Not 1 5. Yeah, it's giving the expected output. So we have 4. Okay, so let's check for another number, another example. Let nums 2 equal to, so here it should be num 2. H6. Okay, it's doing perfectly. And let's go for another example. Let nums 3 equal to nums 3. 0. So everything is working perfectly. So I hope you understand this problem. So just look back every iteration and how it becoming the good pair. So this is very helpful. What's the explanation I have given you? I have given you explanation for 3 examples. Okay, so if you go through this line by line and practice it, I hope you will understand. So thank you very much. If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned. It will be a wonderful journey. We are gonna solve 1000 LeetCode problems here. So stay tuned, stay connected. Give me a big thumbs up. See you soon. Thank you very much.